Let's start, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om together. Inhale. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. Sit in kneeling position. And we start shoulder rotations. Big circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulders to the ears. Exhale. Sharp down. Shoulders to the ears. 2. Shoulders up. 3. Up. 4. One more. Up. 5. Very good. Now watch me, guys. We will take the blocks. Lay down. One block, option 1. Yes, you will place on the second setting. We will open a bit thoracic. Yes, so we place in between the scapula, guys. In between the scapula. Yes. We place on the nose, on the mid setting, sorry. We press, yes, you see on the thoracic. Knees bent, pressing down. Interlace the fingers. Try to go down. If this is comfortable, extend the arms. I don't have the space now. Extend the arms down. Yes, if this is very comfortable. Block on the high setting here. Again, interlace the fingers down or extend the arms. If someone needs extra, this is just the warm-up, guys. But if someone is very open, one block flat, one on top. Same thing. On the scapula. Open, open, and up. Shoulders up to the ears. Don't keep them here. Extension. Yes, to come out. Head is last. Yes? We will hold 2 minutes, guys. So deep breaths. Shoulder up to the ears. Yes? Pick your variation. Again, I repeat, this is the warm-up, so don't push too much. Yes? You have to be able to breathe comfortably. Let's go. 2 minutes. In between the scapula. And by relax your head, relax your head. Yes. Now extend the arms above the head. And by extend the arms above the head. Yes. Very good. Deep breath, guys. Stay in the pose. Keep the glutes on the floor. Last 50 seconds. Last 50 seconds. Thirty seconds. Try to find stillness, guys. A lot of you keep moving, keep moving. Stay with the breath. Observe where is it opening in the body. If you keep moving, you cannot be aware fully of what's going on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly coming up, head last. Very good. Keep the blocks to the side. Tabletop position. Inhale, open, full cow, look forward. Exhale. Yes? 20 reps. Inhale, open, weight at the center, press hands down, look forward. Exhale. Inhale, 2. Exhale. Inhale, 3. Guys, to continue. Exhale. Inhale, 4, cat and cow, guys. And inhale, 5. And inhale, 6. And inhale, 7. And inhale, 8. And inhale, 9. And inhale, 10. And 10 more. Inhale, 1. Guys, cat and cow. Chintamani, you're doing something else. Round, straight arms, straight arms. Exhale. Inhale, 2, shoulders away from the ears, Chintamani. Round in the cow position, shoulders away from the ears. 3. Inhale, 5. And by continue. Round. And 7. Guys, so knees under your hips, they are too open. 8. 9. 10. Keep in cow position. Keep the cow position fully. Guys, don't collapse in the shoulders. Shoulders away from the ears. For that, you have to press the hands against the floor. Look forward. Open. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Stay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, pelvis in, round and hold. Cat position, pelvis in, navel in, chin in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Very good. Now watch me. Hips on top of the knees. Arms forward, thumbs to each other. And then on the center, one hand on top of the other. Shoulders up to the ears. Stay here. Open the pelvis if you can. Forehead down. Keep the arms straight. Hands pressing down. If you can, nose. If you can, chin. Yes? Try. Bring the hands forward on the center. And then one on top of the other. Yes? Shoulders again up to the ears. Full length. Full length. Don't stay here. Shoulders to the ears. Like a swimmer. Open the pelvis. Maybe the forehead touches down. Maybe your nose. Maybe your chin. We hold 30 seconds. Then we will change arm. And by open the pelvis like in cow, forehead on the floor. Stay, guys. Breathe. Here, all the tension in the shoulders will start popping out. Your job is to breathe. Stop moving everywhere. Just breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press with the hands, pelvis in, round the spine and change. Whatever arm you have on top, switch. Whatever arm you have on top, switch. And we go again. Open pelvis, press the hands down. Forehead, nose or chin to the floor. Arms fully straight. Arms fully straight, engaged. 30 seconds. Hands pressing down. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press with the hands, round up. Very good. Amazing. Watch me, guys. We will take child's pose, arms forward, shoulder distance apart with the hands. Yes, we are gonna bend the elbows, pass. Upward facing dog, open the chest, legs active. Then bend the knees down, push, round back. I repeat, I press the hands, bend the elbows, slide, slide. Press upward facing dog, yes, pelvis down, chest forward, shoulders away. Don't collapse here, shoulders away. Then knees down, press, round like cat position. 5 times, guys, move slow, move slow. Yes? Let's go. To your own rhythm. From child's pose. 5 reps only. Yes, Pragya. Yes, Ines, good. Sambardini, you're skipping upward facing dog. Go again. Slide. Upward facing dog. Yes. Knees down, round. Yes, good job. Guys, so yes, upward facing dog. Press with the legs, press with the legs. Yes. Now knees down, cat position and back. Yes, Tanu. 5 reps only. Those who finish, go in child's pose. Five reps only. Those who finish child's pose. Very good. Everyone is finished. Okay. Now, guys, watch me. We will take the blocks together. Wrap on the front. Yes, fingers like this. On top. So at the center, you grab both hands. Shoulders to the ears. Now option forehead. Option 2, nose or chin. Option 3, chest and chin. These hands have to be actively pressing to the blocks, guys. Yes? Pelvis open. And we go 1 and then down. Yes? If it's forehead, forehead. If it's nose, nose. If it's chin, chin. If it's chest and chin, chest and chin. We round from the pelvis, guys. From the pelvis, we open to go down. From the pelvis, we close to go up. Yes, the pelvis controls. Then the other point of control is your hands pressing down actively. Arms are active. Nothing is dead. Yes? 5 reps and then we hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We hold down. See if you can touch forehead or nose or chin or chest and chin without bending the elbows. Arms keep active, hands keep pressing on the block. And now deep breath. Deep breath, very important here. Sambartini, open the pelvis like in cow. Extend the arms more forward. You're very tall. Extend the arms more forward. Yes. Full extension. Good. Stay. Everyone, keep pressing the hands on the block. Yes. Ines, try to bring the chin forward. Extension. Yes. Those who have the chin touching the floor, extend the throat, chin forward, as if you want to reach the chin towards the hands. Last 20 seconds. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Press with the hands. From the pelvis, round up. Very good. Good job. Now, guys, we will do something for the chin. So, for puppy pose, full puppy pose is what? Standard arms puppy pose is this. Without the blocks, is this. Yes? Now, for the chest stand, we also need this extension, right? We need, see my throat, full extension. We cannot be here. Here we have muscles and they also stretch. Do we do this often? Obviously not. Yes, so now we will do something for this one. Yes, block on the low setting. Arms to the sides. Yes. You will bring the chin on the edge and let it rest. Passively? No. We don't hang here. You will feel compression on your neck, yes? So the arms are your brakes. You choose how much weight you have here. Yes, again you have to open. Yes, if someone wants more, because it's someone who is already here, guys. Yes, comfortably breathing, talking. If someone wants more, you place on the second setting. Only if you're comfortable there. Same thing. On the edge. And here. Yes? To come out from the pelvis and up. Guys, I show you from close. The block on the edge, not here. Don't do this. On the edge, so you can extend. You see, if I place here, there's no extension. Only if I place in the edge. Yes? Arms active. We will do 2 rounds of 30 seconds. Yes? Same, huh? Shoulders to the ears. Arms active. Everyone take position. Everyone take position. And 30 seconds start. Deep breaths. Nose breathing. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press with the hands from the pelvis, round the spine up. And we go again. 30 more seconds.
Do our arms stand on only palms or on forearms too?
Whatever is gonna reach, right? For some people, the forearms will reach because they are more open. Some people will be here and extending here. Yes? Eventually everything is touching. Shoulders, chest. Yes?
Yeah, understood.
For now,
Got it.
you start pressing from the palm. Whatever can touch will actually press. Yes? Second round, guys. Ready? And 30-second hold. Chin on the edge, chin on the edge. And deep breaths. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly press the hands around the spine. Take a 20-second rest. Child's pose. Child's pose, everyone. Bye. Take a rest. Child's pose. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Next one, guys. We will take the chair. Yes. Again, we do this a lot with me. Head shoulder distance. Yes. Open the pelvis. Slowly, you will go down. Yes. Now, round up from the pelvis. And down. If you can touch forehead, forehead. But then you have to press and come up. Yes, if you can touch nose, nose. And then up. If you can touch chin, chin. And then up. Yes, pelvis on top of the knees. Guys, we do 5 reps. I want you to move slowly. The opening comes from the pelvis. Yes, I open the pelvis. I press with the hands actively. And I start going down slow. From the pelvis, I close to roll the spine up. Yes? Don't do it by force. Otherwise, guys, if you do it by force, I'll show you what happens. If I don't open the pelvis and I just go, whatever, I try to go down, it will go only do this. It will look like this. If I open, I can go low and I control. And if you see, the whole spine is moving. Yes, the whole spine is moving like in a deep cat and cow. So everything is engaged. Yes, movement starts and ends from the pelvis. Everyone trying. Hands shoulder distance apart on top of the chair. Press the hands, shoulders up to the ears. Add your own rhythm, guys. Slow. 5 reps. Very good, Ines. Chintamani, you need to step a little behind with the knees. Yes, full length. It will be challenging, I know. But you need the full length. Tanu, same. A little step back with the knees back. Little. Full straight from the hands to your pelvis. Sunita, continue. Guys, 5 reps. 5 reps and then you rest. If you finish 5 reps, take a rest in child's pose. Don't skip it. Add your own rhythm. And why you finish? 5 reps? Yes? No? Continue. 5 reps. 30 last seconds for those who haven't finished. Very good. Now, guys, we will hold actively, okay? It looks like passive maybe from the outside. Everything is active. I will keep pressing the hands open, as low as I can go. Yes? Now we will hold 1 minute. Guys, my core is active. My hands are pressing. Everything looks passive from the outside. No one is chilling, guys. I'm feeling the stretch. You will also feel it. Yes? It's an active stretch. Okay? If you hold the breath, you will feel more tightness, more restriction. So it's important you go slowly down. You have 1 minute. Yes, the gravity will take you lower. The breath will take you lower and deeper. By force, nothing comes. So keep that in mind. Take position. Take position. Full line straight from the pelvis to your hands. Walk the knees back as much. More, guys. More back. Yes. And we start. Deep breaths. And then walk the knees back a little bit. Back with your knees. Very good. Deep breaths. San Martini, stay low. Yes, just hold. Press the hands and hold. Sajni, hold. Deep breaths. 20 seconds left. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Oh, sorry.
Where do we feel the most stretching? In the arms or in the upper back?
So this will depend on your opening, yes? Right now for me, I feel it in the shoulders. Someone who has more stiffness, everything that is stiff, the lower you go, the more tension the body keeps, the more you have to work on the breath. Yeah, so guys, keep this in mind. One stretch will feel very different for different people depending what is more open and more restricted to you. Yes? So for example, here, some people like me. Yes, right now my shoulders are very open. This was not always like this. They are very open. So for me, it feels a lot here in the shoulders. I don't feel anything in my upper back, lower back, thoracic. I don't feel anything. If I go deeper here, yes, I started feeling more in the chest. Yes, with my teacher, he pushes me chest down to touch. Yes, now I can do by myself. When he was pushing me, I felt deeply here with an external force. Do you understand? So it will feel very differently depending on what is more open. That's the bottom line. Yeah? This exercise is to open your shoulders. Yes? It also works on the thoracic. Yes, it works full. But I cannot say you will feel it here, and if you feel it on the upper back, it's wrong. Nothing is wrong. Yes, if you tell me I feel I'm collapsing in the lower back, I feel I'm collapsing here, that's a different story. But the exercise itself, it will feel differently depending where the tension is stored in your body. Yeah, it's also normal to feel it here in your deltoid. Yeah, not only on this part, but on this part as well. Yes. Now, guys, we'll remove the chair. We will all try full extended puppy pose. Hands together or shoulder distance apart, open the pelvis. Try to go as slow as you can. Yes, if you're almost here, you can place a block under the chest. Yes, and rest here. Okay, on the chest, ladies, don't place it here, okay? Here. Our privates, they don't get squeezed. Yes, on top, this part. Yes? Everyone trying? One minute hold. We are holding and we still active. Yes? Active on the hands. Keep pressing down. And by you're lost, full arm extended puppy pose. Like this. Last 30 seconds. Keep pressing the hands down. Guys, who open more the pelvis, reach the hands more forward. Not the blocks under the hand, the blocks under the chest if the chest is reaching almost to the floor. Guys, so you're making it more complicated. No block under the hand. The block comes here only if you need it. 10, 9, 8. Yes, 7. Guys, so that was the stretch. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly press the hands first. Round the spine up. Very good. Good job. Now, remove the blocks. For now, we will lay down on the belly. Yes. Make a pillow with the hands. We will reach both legs up. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the legs. 1. Lift and down. Lift and down. 10 reps. Yes. Let's try. Everyone, spine straight. Make a pillow with the hands. Rest the forehead. Okay, and bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Let's go. 10. 9. Squeeze the glutes. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Lift and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Inez, amazing. 4. 3. Point the toes. 2, 1. Slowly down. Take a moment. We will go 5 more reps and another hold. Ready? 5 more reps. We lift and down. Yes, make sure the leg is fully active, guys. The quads are active, toes are pointed. And then we hold it up. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold it up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly down. Relax. 20-second rest. Relax the glutes, relax the legs. Good. Watch me. We will bring the hands next to your hips. Yes, palms facing down. You will bring the legs hip distance. Lift the chest, lift the legs. 1. Lift the chest, lift the legs. 2. Yes? You have to press with the pelvis down. Activate the core, legs and glutes fully active. Point the toes. Yes? Hands like this. Yes? Let's go. 10 breaths, then we hold it up. 1. Down. Hands to the floor, Ines. 2. Rest is good. Yes, down. 3. Down. 4. Yes, down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. 9. Down. 10. Hold it up. Hold it up. Very good, guys. Stay. Core active, glutes active, legs active. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow and control down. Relax. Come back to your breath. Very good. Hold, hold. Just relax. Just relax. Okay, guys, watch me. We will move towards the wall. Yes? Watch it. Make sure you move also your mat and everything that you need. Yes? We will move towards the wall. Arms forward like in puppy pose. Yes? Everyone that is touching down, touching down. If you're not fully touching down, you will take block like we did before on the chest. Yes? So I'll show you both variations. I think most of you are touching down. Yes, so full touching down. Yes? You will press the legs and lift. The closer you go to the wall, the harder it will be. So don't go too close. Extend first and try. Yes? If your chest is almost touching, block, remember the block, guys, here, okay? Not on your, yes, on top. Otherwise, it's going to be painful. Yes, we will rest the chest. Yes? Now the hands are active, feet pressing, lift. 1. Knees to the floor. Control. Exhale when you lift. 2. Yes? If you are all the way down, don't collapse. Don't collapse into your chest. Yes, the hands are active, legs active. If you are somewhere in between, ladies, pay attention, this interests you. If you are somewhere in between where the block feels too high and you are almost touching but not touching, place something soft. Yes, sometimes folding the mat, sometimes a thin blanket. Place it here to fill the gap. Yeah, if the gap sometimes is something like this. Yes, the block is higher. So you need something to fill the gap so you can press. Yes? 5 reps, everyone, to your own rhythm. Again, the closer you go to the wall with your hips, the harder it will become. So try first away from the wall a little bit, and then you can adjust. Arms fully active to your own rhythm. 5 reps. Press against the wall. Exhale. Think of hips up. Hips to the sky. 1. Feet together, ladies. 2. 3. 4. 5. Everyone holding up. We are doing amazing. Everyone holding up. Manisha, chest to the floor. Use the block under if you need. 30-second hold. Hold, hold, hold. Hips up, hips up, hips up. Extend the knees, Lakshmi. Guys who hips up, try to extend the knees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Take a rest. Sit back in child's pose. In a way, don't do this because the back is extended. You are doing like elastic band right now if you do this sudden movement. You can do hip circles. You can do hip circles if you need like a stretch or something. Yes?
Sorry, what did you say?
So sometimes like we do a back bend and then I see you doing these things. Yes? So because you are open like this and all of a sudden you're doing this and back, which is like a deep stretch. Yes? Your how do you call the muscles is like doing like an elastic band like this. So then when you go again for the back bend, it feels more challenging than before. Yes.
Okay, so it's too
Can do
much to do
stretch,
like
then
this. Okay.
after we can do the stretch and we can go progressively deeper to counter the opening. But now we are very open and we're using the strength as well. So if it feels tight, best thing you can do is the hip circles. Yes?
Okay. I just don't rest so much in child's pose because of the knee.
Ah, okay. Then tell
Yes,
me.
so
Please
I
tell me,
was
I give
trying
you
to find
something else.
something else. Okay, so
Yes.
I will rotate
Yes. Tabletop, you can just decompress. If your lower back feels compressed, you can just decompress a little bit. Pelvic rotations, yes? But don't do the sudden open and close. Now, guys, watch me. 2 options. Those who were very comfortable, and I say very comfortable, it means the breath is coming fully comfortable and you're fully touching down. That's important. If you're fully touching down, yes, you extend maybe 1 step, 2 steps. Again, the closer you go to the wall, the more difficult. Guys, this is very advanced. So only those who feel comfortable, I know some people might want to try this one. Yes? Check. I'm feeling comfortable here because if I go to the wall, it's going to feel more intense. Only 1 tiny step up. And I hold. Yes? Otherwise, we keep trying here with the legs straight and with the block or blanket under the chest. Press and lift. If I cannot even lift the legs, I keep trying. Yes, if I'm here, I keep trying to extend. Yes, I keep doing the work. Mindfully, with the breath. Yes, nothing gets unlocked in one day. So repeat, repeat, repeat. Don't be afraid to take the same option. Yes,
Can
5 reps again. 5 reps again. Yes, those who
Can I
want
go?
to try. Chintamani, please, I'm in the middle of the explanation. Wait until I finish to ask questions. I answer all the questions, but let me finish. Guys, don't be afraid to repeat the same variation. Those who are trying the new variation, feel, explore. If you feel it's too much, go to the previous one. We do 5 more reps and then we hold, okay? Yes, Chintamani, tell me.
If the hands are sliding, can I grab the mat first? If they're sliding forward, how to?
Try not to. I know this is taught like this, but try not to.
Okay.
Yes, because it will get you the habit to do that. Yes, press the hands to the mat actively. Yeah. Everyone, 5 reps. Pragya, feet together if you can. Feet to touch, okay? If feet to touch is too intense on the lower back, you can separate hip distance, but don't go too wide. Yeah? Everyone trying 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Pragya, good try. 5. Ines, try. Yes. If someone wants to walk the wall, like we said, now is the time. Hold it. Try. Even if it's 10 seconds, 5 seconds, try. Time is on. 30-second hold. Feet on the wall or feet on the floor with the legs extended. Come on, everyone trying. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming out. Tabletop position, everyone. 5 hip circles one side. And other side. Very. Guys, any questions here? Any questions here?
Yes.
Yes, Nitu?
Patty. Yes. So at the back side of the neck, it's a discomfort. It's not very painful,
You
but
feel
it's a
compression.
yeah.
Yeah.
After doing the exercise.
After doing the exercise.
Ah.
So when you were on the floor, did you activate the arms or at some point they are bending a little bit? You know what I mean?
But my neck is not very lengthened here. It's not very stretching. So
But you
I think because of that, yes, I am using knee pad. Block is too high for me. So I'm using this, doubling this and using.
Yeah. So you can use something else for the chin. So you
Okay.
can lengthen a little bit. Yes, but sometimes, guys, also we have this rounding here. So then when we are all of a sudden doing this exercise, that it feels like too much tension here that it has to go. Yeah. So it can
Okay.
be this, yes, that now you're feeling the tension here because you're moving this energy anyways. Whatever tension we feel here, now we went too deep. Yes, this is moving. So see how you feel in some time. If you still feeling it later, do let me know. Maybe send me a private text. Yeah.
Okay.
Any questions, guys?
Do we need to keep our elbows all the time straight, or can we bend them a little bit?
No bending, straight.
All
Straight
the time.
like a handstand, straight and active. Yes?
And I have a lot of weight in my chest. It's okay?
Eventually, the weight in the beginning, all the chest collapse. Yes? After, it's spread between the arms and the legs. Yes? Even if I'm here, like there's no way you can see, but I can tell you. Yes? If I'm here, there's some weight in my chest, of course, but it's spread because I have the legs on the wall. I have the arms pressing. And if you see, I can still talk. If I would be collapsing in the chest, breathing would be a bit difficult maybe, but talking definitely not possible. Yeah? It's
Excuse me.
it's
I'm not
a
able to
practice,
stretch
guys.
the leg.
Say again?
I'm not able to stretch the leg completely.
Yes, that has to do with your back bend mostly. Yes? You are here, right? In this one. This one. That's it?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
This one might be, I mean, it can be your hamstrings, but mostly is your back bend. Yes? Guys, this is an intense back bend. We practice and we stretch the whole class, but nothing gets solved instantly in one class. Yes? If you are interested in this, you can repeat this class later on in the week, maybe on the weekend, because it's an intense class. Slowly through the repetition, yes? It's a lot of shoulder opening as well, guys. This is upper back, a lot of upper back, a lot of shoulder opening. Yes? And in the beginning, it's difficult for the brain to click everything together. Here, it looks so simple. In the mat, we are doing so many actions. Pressing the feet, pressing the arms, breathing, lifting the hips up. In the beginning, it's difficult to coordinate everything. Second time you will repeat this, it will become easier. Third time, fourth time. Yeah, it's all a matter of repetition. I think I say this sentence 1,000 times in class. I feel repetitive when I hear myself, but I know you guys need to hear this because sometimes we don't want to have expectations, but we have expectations. Oh, I will unlock this today. And again, the same frustration comes because it's not coming in one day. It's unfair to ourselves. No, we are coming here for our practice. We put all of these self expectations for what? You have your
I'm
whole
always scared of back bending, but your classes. But
back bending indeed is very scary.
yeah.
Yes, the right techniques, the right breathing, listening to the body. No, some days I don't feel like doing the most deep of the deep back bends, and I love back bends, guys. The body some days is saying no, so you have to listen. You can't force it. If the body is saying no, you practice something less deep. You want to practice back bends, you can. There's so many things, right? But if today your body is saying no, you need to adjust. We cannot force the practice into the body. Right? We adjust the practice to the body. That's how it goes. Otherwise, it's ego. Yes. And then it doesn't make you feel good, huh? I tell you, it doesn't make you feel good. When you're forcing the practice in the body is saying no, no, no. And more frustration. Yeah? Now, guys, we will practice more of this. Yeah, we will practice more of this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes? Who's that?
Ma'am,
Sambardini, yes?
Ma'am, I can do a back bend like this. How many times keep my legs straight? But while I'm trying to come closer, I can't keep my legs straight.
You can't keep the legs straight. In the drop, you want to keep the legs straight?
Yes, ma'am. But when I keep my back like this, I can't keep my legs straight.
Press the hands down. So, two things, Sambardini. One thing is for the legs straight, you need a lot more extension in the body. You have a very good back bend already. This is a dream for many people, yeah? So, when we are in the wheel pose, the same way you cannot fully straighten, yes? For this, what you want to do, you need more thoracic opening, you need more shoulder opening, and most importantly, this hip extension, yes? Eventually, you might be able to do. You're still very young, yes? But don't force it. Keep practicing strength. Sambardini, you're very flexible and that's amazing, but you need to build more strength. Yes, you are extremely flexible, which is good. But the strength has to pair with the flexibility. Yeah? So more strength. So you build more quad strength, thoracic opening, shoulder strength, shoulder opening. All of this in my classes we work, yes? But if you want to work separately, you can work separately as well. 10-15 minutes a day, you work on this goal for yourself, but make sure you do everything. Yes? So for the leg straight, you can start with blocks under your feet. After you do the warm up for everything, blocks under the feet to help you reach the hips higher. And you try to press the feet to the block, extend the knees. Yes? Next week, Samardina, I will put a wheel class. Come to my class. Yes? I will give you extra variations next week. Yeah? Ladies, let's do the prayer. Yes? Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. See whatever has shifted since the beginning until the end of the practice in all those areas of your being. Take this moment and thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om, 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Exhale, release the hands down. Bring the eyes open. Thank you so much, guys. Beautiful, beautiful class. Yes.
Thank you.
Patience with this kind of back bends. Yes, they take a lot of time. Yes.
Thank you, Tati.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys. I wish you a great of the rest of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.